This is how it looks like. Cadillac SRX 2010, front left turn lights. You just have to turn this. Oh. This. Then pull it. Then pull this bulb, you'll take off, put it back. When you're reaching it from top, you might accidentally remove this thing. Your switch will mess you up. You cannot turn it. Just try to peel for it and put it back, and then you can turn it back again like that and then pull it up. So that's how you do it. Takes me a hard time removing my bumper, but you don't have to. You just have to reach from here and you can do it. I don't know how it looks like. No video showing in the YouTube, so this is the video of how it looks like. This is the front light. This is the turn signal, and I believe the other side there is the one with the big circle there. Turn it and that will be your high beam, I think. That's it. Thank you.